Ramai, bangun. Diri tegak. Selamat pagi, Encik Ramasamy.
Selamat pagi, Encik Ramasamy.
Selamat pagi.
Okey, selamat pagi duduk.
Terima kasih, Mr. Ramasamy.
Okey, Amai bangun. What is this? Look at your bangle. Who asked you to wear this?
Sir, today is my birthday.
Whether you work today or not, you are not supposed to wear all these to school.
This is from my granny. This is from my money.
Whether your granny or mommy, you are not supposed to wear all these, you know, isn't it?
Sir, one day only for good health for the whole year
No,
round.
you have to follow the school rules. Do you know that? Look at your hair. You know that Mr. Muru and Mr. Tan has told you to pin up your hair? Pin up now.
One day only lah.
No, one day enough. You know, we have given you enough warning. Take out the bangles and pin your hair now.
How aren't you going to support me?
Okay. Look at your hair at the back. Look at your hair here, touching. So you both of you know that you must cut your hair, right?
I know, sir. But you know the barber, the shop closed, the barber shop closed.
Oh, I know. Over the weekend you had 3 days holiday. You should have cut your hair. Let me send you to Mr. Tan first.
Give me 1 week, sir. Just 1 week.
No, 1
I
week.
promise you, after 1 week, I'll get my car.
Okay, the most I can give you until Tuesday.
Tomorrow, I have something on. Very big occasion, Mr. Ramasamy. Very big occasion. So I need to have my hair, you know, style hair.
Okay, I'll give you a last chance. Okay? So make sure when you come back next week, your hair has been trimmed nicely. Amoy, your hair must clean up nicely. Now look at the classroom. So dirty. Eh? You all grown up kids. Eh? All of you are grown up kids. Look at the table and look at the rubbish. Please pick now.
Mr. Ramasamy, come to school to be excellent, to get straight A's, not to sampah. Kita kan ada pekerja.
Oh, I know you come to school to study and get A. Doesn't mean that you must keep your classroom dirty. Pick now. I say now. Pick.
Mr. Muru, tomorrow I bring my hair.
No.
Remind me to clean up.
Never mind. You
Dirty
pick.
one day, never mind. Mr. Muru, look at Guntung, see?
Guntung, what is the time now?
Saya datang lambat bukan sengaja, cikgu. Saya bangun lambat, dan loceng tak berfungsi. Lepas tu, mak saya hantar adik saya pergi sekolah lain dulu. Jadi jam tak disengajakan, Mr. Ramasamy.
Kaya bila tak ada exam Guntung. Tiap-tiap hari KL ada jam. Faham tak tidak?
Saya baru datang sekali lewat ni cikgu.
Mana Pak? You are already late 1 hour. More than 1 hour.
Betul, tapi hari ini je cikgu.
Why you are wearing slipper?
Kaki saya sakit cikgu.
Lalu bagi alasan.
Dan semalam pun ada latihan pemasukan. Kasut satu tak sempat masuk.
You sudah datang 1 jam lewat. Adakah sudah dapat surat daripada pentadbir?
Tadi lepas ayah saya hantar di pintu, saya masuk bilik pejabat. Tak ada satu pun pentadbir. Puan Latifah tak ada, Puan Chu tak ada, Cik Effendi tak ada, Puan Siti Hana tak ada. Nak cari siapa cikgu?
You patut tunggu di sana untuk Puan Siti Hana. Mana dia?
Saya rugi kalau tak belajar cikgu dah lewat 1 jam ni.
You sudah datang 1 jam lewat. Lain nak pusing. Pergi duduk. Duduk.
Terima kasih cikgu.
Mana lagi satu?
Cikgu sudah 1 jam tak ada di kelas.
Kamboja. Sini. Sebab apa you datang lewat? Why you are so late to class?
Cikgu janganlah marah. Tadi saya hantar buku latihan sejarah. Cikgu Siti yang suruh.
Siti mana
Betul,
satu?
cikgu, betul, sumpah. Betul kan dah?
Mana dia tahu?
Dia bohong ni. Dia bohong.
Eh? He's a good boy.
Tak apa nak kawan lepas ni. Betul cikgu, betul, sumpah. Tak tipu, tak percaya tanya cikgu Siti.
You selalu dah 1 jam lewat. You pergi sini, pergi sana dan bagi
Mana ada
alasan.
selalu cikgu, sekali ni je.
Mana tiap-tiap kali you kata ada alasan? Tak datang ke
Maaf
kelas?
cikgu.
Maaf. Lain
Sorry
kali.
lah cikgu.
Okey, kali ini saya excuse you. Kalau lain kali you come again late, I will send you to Mr. Muru or Mr. Tan. Kita kira?
Terima kasih cikgu.
Walaupun you perempuan, saya boleh suruh Puan Suhana rotan you tau. Okey, sekarang kita boleh mula pelajaran kita.
Tak bawa buku cikgu.
Mr. Rahmat Sabit, salah jadual waktu ke ni? Apa? Tak ada buku pun.
Minggu 2. Oh, saya ingat minggu 1. Sorry Okey, minta maaf
Baik para pelajar, daripada sisa tadi dapatlah